Leo, come up. We're gonna call. All right, click the phone number, please. All right, let's 429-9296. All right, Leo, have you ever cold called before?
No.
Okay. It's gonna be easy. I'm gonna be there with you, okay?
All right.
So simple. 2 questions. Are you the owner of the property? And are you interested in selling it?
Okay.
That's it. We're gonna go for no. Simple as that. And guess what? They start saying something mean, I'll be on here, all right?
What if they say yes?
We'll pull up to their house. Oh, if they say yes, we'll pull up to their house. We're pulling up no matter what. Ready to go? Let's see if they answer. Ask them if they're the owner too.
Hello?
Is this the owner of 112?
Hello?
Hello? Is this the owner of 1123 Bay Inn Street?
No, sir.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
Okay.
Oh, the owner of 20410 Oak Street.
They're looking to sell it.
Are you interested in selling it by chance?
Yes, sir. It's for sale right now.
Oh, is it on the MLS?
Is it on the listed on the MLS? Do you know?
Nope, it's not listed at all yet.
This is for sale.
I just
Okay.
kicked my tenants out.
Okay, so it's for sale then. You're interested in selling it?
Yep, cash offer. I want a cash offer. Walk away from it.
Ask him if your partner. Talk to your partner.
Okay.
It's okay, my partner.
Is it all right if my partner gives you a call
Right
here
now? He's
shortly?
with me right now.
Sure can.
Okay.
Hello, hey, this is Leah's partner, Zach. How are you doing today?
Good working. What? What's
Hey,
up?
sorry about that. Yeah, so we're looking to buy a couple houses in the area. You said
What
you were
area? What area are you talking about?
Dallas, Texas.
Well, I'm talking about Ohio.
Ohio. Where in Ohio?
Weston, Ohio, right outside of Bowling Green.
Okay, can you give me the address really quick? We buy houses all over the country.
It's 20410 Oak Street, Weston, Ohio, 43569.
So 20410
410
West.
Weston, Weston.
Okay. Weston Street.
Zip code is Oak Street.
Okay.
Zip code is 43569.
Got it. Okay. And you said you currently you had a tenant on the property?
I had a tenant and I had to evict him. Yep. They owe me a bunch of money in rent.
Oh, geez.
So I just evicted them. They just got out last Thursday.
Okay. And do you know how much that you were getting in rent per month?
$700 a month.
Okay, $700 a month. And they just couldn't pay. Was it too much? Not enough? Did they trash the house?
They haven't paid me since COVID. That tells you anything.
Oh my gosh, man.
Exactly. They owe me a lot of money.
Jeez, are you going to sue them or anything, or are you just
I'm
kind
gonna
of
have
getting
to.
out of
It took my head taken to court to get them out because they was just squatters.
it? Oh, don't get me started with squatters, man.
They're squatters. They were squatters. You know, after 2 years, they were squatters. It took me 2 years to kick them out. To get them into court to kick them out.
Okay. So they're paying $700 a month. You said you want a cash offer on this.
Yep.
This is Weston, Ohio. So it's right. So you said it's near Bowling Green?
Yep, it's just right outside of Bowling Green, about 6 miles.
Okay.
It's a little small town. It's got a school. It's a nice, quiet community.
Okay. Well, I'll be honest with you. This is Kevin, right?
Yep.
Kevin. So I buy real estate around the country, and honestly, I'm looking for a rental. Like, that's what it is. I live in Florida. Every single house here is $600,000, and my insurance for the property is going up 30%. So I'm sick of it, right? I have partners all over. My closest partner, just to be honest with you, is in Fort Wayne. He would probably manage it, but we could want to possibly buy the property. So I'm trying to think here. $700 a month. You said you wanted a cash offer. I mean,
My wife asked $100. Well, I live in Texas now. I don't live there.
okay.
Period, and it's just pain. I don't even go back there anymore. My wife's up there right now trying to clear it up for me. Yeah.
Okay. If we were going to buy this thing cash, no games, I mean, you don't seem like that type of guy. What cash offer works for you?
What type?
Yeah, I mean, what?
I lost 70,000 for it. I don't take a penny less. The land's worth that.
Oh, okay. Did you get appraised for $70,000?
No, I've not even attempted to sell it yet. I'm just now. You just called me.
Oh.
I was going to wait till it got cleaned up, then I was going to put it on the market.
Okay, 70,000. And can you tell me a little bit more about the condition of the property? Like, if I'm going to buy this thing cash.
It's a two-story house. It's got a detached garage. It's got an outbuilding. It's got a carport. Got a huge lot. It's almost 2 acres.
Okay. When's the last time you physically seen the property?
Last time I did what?
When's the last time you physically seen the property?
My wife's there right now.
Oh, okay.
I'm not. My wife's there. I'm in Texas working.
Okay.
She's up there. She's not working. She's up there taking care of it.
Okay. What do you do for work?
Build roads and bridges.
Oh, wow. Okay. So $700 a month. You want $70,000 for this. I mean, did you get an offer for $70,000? I'm kind of a loss right now for how you came up with $70,000 on the property.
I just almost what I want. I want $5,000 stick in my pocket.
Oh, okay. That's what you owe on it.
That's all it is. That's all it is. I mean, it's worth way more than that. But I walk away from it today. I take $70,000.
Okay. I mean, I'll be honest with you. So I work with Leo, and his dad's pretty ruthless. Not gonna lie. We kind of work the money together here, and he wants a good rate. So I mean, he's a real estate investor too. He likes cap rates. I mean, we don't want to be at an 8-9% cap rate. We really want to be closer to 15. And so I know for a fact I go to him. We can go back and forth with this. I go to Fernando. He's gonna say he wants to buy this for like $45,000. That's what he's gonna tell me. I'm being honest with you.
Yeah. That ain't gonna happen. I can sell
obviously.
it on the market, sell it for more than that.
No, trust me. That's why I'm on the phone with you, not Fernando. Right? He's gonna say I want 45,000. That ain't gonna work. But again, if I say that you wanted 70, and that's what it is, he's not gonna accept that either. I mean, can you work with me here? I mean, if he's at 45, you're at 70,000. I mean, is there a number in between that can work for the both of us?
60.
Okay.
Minimum.
60.
No more going down.
I mean, tune in me. I'd rather be closer to 55.
65, you said.
No, 55. 55.
I'll tell you what, if you buy it today, 55, you can have it. But if you wait a week or two, no. I can sell for more than that.
Okay. I mean, all right. What's your email? I can go send you over an agreement right now.
Masters Kevin, all lowercase, 24@gmail.com.
Masters Kevin.
Kevin, 24@gmail.com.
@gmail.com. Okay, perfect. So what I want to do is I do have to talk this over with my partner, Fernando. He is a stickler. He's kind of crazy, just between you and me. So he might be on the phone with you. What we can do right now is I can set up an agreement for $55,000. I'm going to call Fernando right now. And if it works, I can call you back. We can send you an agreement, and then I can have probably him or someone come by, possibly tomorrow, to go look at it. Whatever's comfortable with your...
Yeah.
So would your wife be comfortable if someone on our team kind of came by, looked at the house, confirmed the condition also after we get the agreement signed?
Yeah, but I just have to give you my wife's phone number to make sure she's there.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
What's your phone number?
Her phone number is 419-308-7005.
Okay, perfect. And obviously, you know, I'm not a married man, but I can only assume, would she be open to this also?
The house belongs to me, not her.
Oh, okay.
I owned the house before we got married. It's
Got
my
it.
name only.
There we go. Easy as that. So I don't want to bother you. Keep building the railroads. And what I'm going to do...
No, not railroad, highways. I build
highways.
not railroads.
Oh, geez. Okay. Well, Kevin, let me talk to Fernando, and let me give you a call back, and we can get an agreement set and see what we can do right now.
Okay, good deal.
All right. Appreciate it. Thanks so much, Kevin.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye. It's good.
Wow.
Yeah. That's weird, isn't it? There we go. Pretty good. Who wants to deal in Ohio?